All right, my friends. Today we're going to talk about some very common situations that people find themselves in when they attack the triangle choke, okay? One being that people have their hands clasped on the inside, and two, when they wrap around the hip to kind of block the arm from coming across. So we're going to address those two today. All right, so let's say I shot up for the triangle and somehow she slips this hand in together. So this is very, very common, okay? But I've got a good lock on the triangle, okay? So I don't want to give up on it. But if I hang out here too long, she's going to slip her head out. She may stand up, she may push down on my hips, okay? So if I have a good lock on this, what I'm going to do, a lot of people are focusing on this arm, which is totally fine, but sometimes it's hard to get the arms separated. What I've found works best is you use the leverage that you have here with your leg and come here on this arm. So focus on the arm that's not in the triangle. When I pull this out, you're going to see what happens to her hand. It pushes it down and out of the way. Okay? Most people, once they get to this point, they abandon that position. They try some other defense. If this hand's still stuck in, it doesn't matter. She's still going to get choked. But this hand, the hands together can save her. So if you get this position here and you've got a good lock, especially if this leg is really tight to the neck, we're going to come here and pull this elbow out. So what happens is as I'm pulling this here, her arm runs into my leg and the hand's going to slip right off. So I pull here, hand comes out. Okay? If this hand is still in, doesn't matter. She's still going to choke at that point. Okay, another common thing that can happen when I get the lock here like this is some people will reach down here and they'll bury this elbow. Okay? Very, very frustrating. Now there's some not so nice things you can do. You can use the fist in the neck, okay? But what I like doing better is switching the triangle, okay? Right now, keep that elbow buried. Hard for me to move her this way, okay? To get this arm out. But if I switch my body angle, if I switch here, I grab, this is my temporary leg, and I make the triangle on the other side, now I can position myself in a way where now I'm very, very strong. Hold your elbow down, okay? All your weight. Very difficult for her to stop me lifting that up. I'm going to find any space I can to wiggle my hand in. Once it's in deep, gable grip. Pinch tight, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend here like this. Now right there, she just tapped on the shoulder lock. If I pinch this tight to my chest and I raise the elbow, shoulder lock. If the arm goes straight, I catch it next to my ear. This hand is going to hold right around the elbow. I should feel the point of her elbow right in the palm of my hand. I want to reach all the way around. Ear to my shoulder. Now it's going to be a sideways crunch for the straight arm lock. If that slips, mission accomplished. We got the triangle. Okay, we switch right back. Figure four, squeeze for the choke. All right, so give those tips a try. Let us know what you think. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll see you soon.